Today, I'll walk you through how to connect sub-items from one board to another at the sub-item level, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to establish these connections so you can streamline your project management on Monday.com. First, let's navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Head over to the link provided in the description or simply go to your Monday.com dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Once you're in your workspace, click on the project that you want to modify. This is where you'll find the specific items and sub-items that you want to connect. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's like finding your way around a new city. Next, locate the specific item that contains the sub-item you wish to connect. Click on that item to open it up. This is similar to opening a folder on your computer to access its contents. Now look for the plus sign, which allows you to add new elements. Click on that plus sign to reveal more options. This is your gateway to enhancing your project with new connections. From the options that appear, choose Connect to Boards. This action will allow you to link your sub-items to another board, creating a more integrated workflow. After selecting Connect to Boards, click on Select Boards. This will open a list of available boards that you can connect to. Now, find and click on the desired board you want to connect to. This step is crucial as it determines where your sub-items will be linked. Next, you'll want to ensure that this connection is two-way. Click on Set as Two-Way Connection. This means that any updates made in either board will reflect on the other, much like a conversation where both parties can share their thoughts. Once you've set the connection, click on Connect Boards. This finalizes the linking process, allowing your sub-items to flow seamlessly between boards. If prompted, you can click on I'll do it later. This gives you the flexibility to manage your connections at your own pace. And there you have it. You've successfully connected sub-items from one board to another at the sub-item level. This process not only enhances your project management capabilities, but also helps in maintaining clarity and organization. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.